Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to transfer data from Nike to Strava. So guys, I made this table for you so you can understand it much better. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open the Nike Run Club or Nike Training Club application onto your device. So guys, it will be just the same process. So just simply follow along. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile initials in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and select settings. And in the settings, just simply go ahead and select partners. And from there, just simply choose Strava from the list. And once you have selected Strava, just simply complete the setup in the connection screen that appears. So guys, you might simply log in into your account in order for you to connect the Nike to Strava. And after that, if the app are successfully connected, you will see over there Strava and Nike's icon on the screen with a green check mark. And from there, guys, once you have successfully connected your accounts, both on Nike app and Strava, it will automatically sync newly recorded activities. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.